Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. What is the official language of Brazil? Portuguese. Who invented the World Wide Web? Tim Berners-Lee. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights in India? Diwali. What is the currency of Japan? Yen. Who wrote the play Hamlet? William Shakespeare. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of panchayats? Article 243. Who can recommend the dissolution of the Lok Sabha? The Prime Minister. Which Amendment Act introduced the Goods and Services Tax in India? The 101 ST Amendment Act 2016. Who appoints the Attorney General of India? The President of India. How many fundamental duties are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? 11 fundamental duties. Who was the first woman to become the Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? April 13, 1919. Who founded the Indian National Army? Subhash Chandra Bose. In which year was the Battle of Buxar fought? 1764. Which is the largest island in the world? Greenland. What is the capital city of Canada? Ottawa. Which river forms the boundary between India and Bangladesh? The Ganges Padma River. What is the capital of the Indian state of Rajasthan? Jaipur. Who is the current Secretary of State of the United States as of 2023? Anthony Blinken. Which country won the UEFA Euro 2020? Italy. Who is the current Director General of the World Health Organization as of 2023? Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Which country hosted the 2022 FIFA World Cup? Qatar. Who is the current Prime Minister of Australia as of 2023? Anthony Albanese. What is the boiling point of water in degrees Celsius? 100 degrees Celsius. Who is known as the father of modern chemistry? Anton Lavoisier. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Au. What is the SI unit of force? Newton. What does PPP stand for in economics? Purchasing power parity. Who is the current Finance Minister of India as of 2023? Nirmala Sitharaman. What is the full form of NITI Ayog? National Institution for Transforming India. Which organization publishes the Global Competitiveness Report? World Economy Forum. What is the primary goal of the Pradhana Mantri Awas Yojana? To provide affordable housing to the urban poor. Who is the first Indian badminton player to win an Olympic silver medal? PV Sindhu. Which country won the ICC Women's T20 World Cup in 2020? Australia. Who is the first Indian to win a gold medal at the Paralympics? Mulakhat Petkar. Which sport is associated with the team Ashes? Cricket. Who holds the record for the highest individual score in Test cricket? Brian Lara, 400 not out. Thank you for watching.